I'm gonna tell myself that everybody stood up. Right? I can't see you, no. I actually almost threw that shot out. Wouldn't that be crazy? That would be a show. Okay, Vancouver, make some noise if you've got an ex. Okay. Make some noise if you've got an ex that you hate. A toxic crowd, we love to see it. Vancouver, you know those people that we date, or maybe it never even got that far when we didn't date them, but they just treat us so terribly. We know they're 100,000,000% going to hell. Well, lately I've been hoping, praying and wishing that when they do get down there to hell, there won't be any hot girls or guys for them to, hang out with. You know how it goes, been here before. I broke my heart 3 times before age 24. I'll be a mess, calm and collected, and you'll finally come. Get awfully lightheaded, but I won't be good. So you'll pick off all of the mess. I wish I could go, and you'll feel good. And mostly vodka.